Water ionizer. How do I turn off sound? Long press the purified water button. Click, click, click. This is the interface for controlling sound effects. C3 stands for completely silent. C2 only has voice announcements and no background music. C1 has background music and voice announcements. After selection, click the Pure Water button. Choose the way you like.